In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your Usman IELTS trainer. Additionally, I've been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute Lahore. Dear friends, we are also professional student visa consultants. We accept your applications for UK, Australia, Canada, America, and across Europe. Lots of success stories can be found on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. Dear friends, my today's lecture would be about IELTS starting task 2. And in particular, it will be about sample questions of double question essay. Double question essay means there are 2 questions asked after the question description. This essay is also known as different other names. I have discussed everything regarding this question type in my already uploaded video on YouTube. The name of the video is IELTS Double Question Essay by NA Saqib. You can go into the YouTube search bar and you can find it out over there. You must benefit from it if you are looking forward to gaining good band scores in your IELTS examination. My dear friends, the duration of that lecture is 24 minutes 45 seconds approximately. And what are the highlights of that lecture? I must let you know about all of them. Number 1, I have given you or introduced you with all the various names with which this question type is known as. And then I have focused on the benefits of general reading. A bit of sidetracking. I have told you how general reading can rescue you in all 4 modules of the IELTS: listening, speaking, reading and writing. And moreover, how vocabulary and grammar can be enhanced by doing this bit of intensive and extensive reading. And then I have given you the common themes from where these questions of task 2 of IELTS are selected. So those common themes have been described. It's very important. And then I have given you the 5 types of IELTS essays for task 2. What are the general 5 major kinds, types or categories of essays? I have introduced you with all of them, including this double question essay. And last but not the least, I have given you specific fundamental blocks or structure of this particular kind of essay. And I have given you the perfect 9-band example of question and answer which falls into the category of this particular question type. My dear friends, it's a very useful lecture. You must, attend it, take notes while you operate it or start playing it. And I hope you would also take notes of all these questions, sample questions of 2020. The students have come across these questions and I hope they will also be extremely beneficial for you guys. Now start writing down these questions. They are 6 in number, and I hope if you just write down the answers, you will get them checked by some senior IELTS trainer. He will let you know about the nitty-gritty of and the petty details of writing down different categories of essays, how to structure them according to the band descriptors, and how to meet the requirements of examiners regarding the band descriptors, which are task response, cohesion and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy. So these are 4 different factors which determine your band scores, and I hope you would have got a bit of training from the teachers who are teaching you. And if you're a prospective student of IELTS, you can take our services. If you're the existing student of IELTS, you can come into my institution. We are taking online classes and offline classes, on-campus classes. If you're interested in any one of them, you can contact our WhatsApp number given in the description. Now those questions which I'm looking forward to telling you, I will just run through the questions and you will hold a paper and pencil and write them down on your notebooks. Number 1, Some people agree that money cannot be happiness. Why is happiness difficult to define? And how can people achieve happiness? These are two questions given at the end of the question description. So these questions need to be responded very effectively if you are looking forward to getting good band scores according to the task response, because every part of the question should be responded appropriately. The second question would be like this: success is most measured by wealth and material belongings. Do you think wealth is the best measure of success? And what makes a successful person? Question number 3. The internet is a great source of information and has opened up opportunities for people to learn all over the world. Questions: is all information reliable on the internet? And what could be done to control information online? Question number 4. News plays an important part of people's life. Why is news so important to people? And why is so much news dedicated to bad news? And should the news focus on good news instead? 3 questions have been asked after the question description. So it's also an exceptional case, but sometime you never know what is in the mind of the examiner. He's going to actually challenge you by giving the topics and the questions. So you better just make notes of all these questions and follow my instructions. Hopefully you will be rewarded, and all that stuff which I keep telling you, it will certainly pay you off. Question number 5. Art and music are considered some of the fundamental elements of all societies. Do you think art and music still have a place in today's modern world of technology? And the next question: should children spend more time learning art and music at school? The last question, question number 6. It is said, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Do you think people should adapt and accept the culture of the country they visit? And do you think, is it possible to learn a culture without learning a language? So 2 questions at the end of the question description. My dear friends, that's it. I informed you of all the 6 questions which I came across in 2020, and I hope you would practice doing all that stuff for your better understanding, and you would also write down the answers accordingly and get them checked by some senior IELTS instructor. We also offer IELTS correction, your essay correction services, but they're the paid services, of course. And if you want to have the online, information, online inquiry, or you want to come into my campus, you're welcome. See you. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. See you with another uploaded video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.